Hello student, today we would learn about Entron test which is done for estimation of sugar. Entron test is a general test for sugar. It is based on the principle that concentrated acid dehydrates the sugar to produce hydroxymethyl furfuryl or furfuryl. This furfuryl reacts with the Entron and produces a bluish green complex. Now the preparation of Entron reagent is 2 grams of Entron is dissolved in 1 liter of concentrated sulfuric acid and stored at 4 degrees centigrade. This solution is good for 2 days. After that one has to discard the solution. And then we have to prepare a sugar solution of 100 mg per ml, or we need to note down the concentration of the sugar whenever we prepare the sugar solution. We would take the test tubes and add the sugar solution to each test tube, like 50, 100, 200 and 400. And in the blank test tube we won't add any sugar solution. To all the test tube we would add the distilled water to make the volume to 1 ml. In the blank we would add directly 1 ml of distilled water, and in the rest, based on the volume that we have taken of the sugar, we would add on the volume of the distilled water and make it 1 ml. After making 1 ml to each test tube, we would add Entron reagent. Now Entron reagent would be added with the help of glass pipette. You can see the directly added one is used for taking in the sugar Entron reagent, and the one which is away from the pipette nozzle, it is used for elution of the Entron reagent. We would take 5 ml of Entron reagent to each of the test tube. So we have added the first 5 ml to the blank and there is no color formation. Then we would add the next 5 ml to the next test tube, and you can see there is immediate formation of bluish green complex. So this way we would add 5 ml to each and you can see the formation of the color. This color would be stabilized by incubating the test tube in boiling water bath for 10 minutes. After that we would remove it and cool it down in the tap water, and then we would take the reading in colorimeter. We have to use the nanometer of 630 in spectrophotometer. In colorimeter we would take the reading at 600 nanometer. We would set the instrument 0 with the help of zeroing knob and against the blank, and then we would note down the reading of the concerned sugar sample. So we have taken the blank sample and we are making it 0 with the help of the instrument zeroing knob. We have made it 0. Now we have poured the sample and the reading was recorded as 0.22. The next solution has been poured. We would take we would place it in the sample holder and note down the reading, that is 0.36. And the next sugar sample would be poured and we would note down. So every reading has to be noted down in the copy, and then we have to make a standard curve. So we got the reading 0.54. Now the last one is been poured and its reading would be noted down again. So we would note down it is as 0.72. So all the readings are noted. Now we would take the reading of the unknown sample. Unknown sample would be placed in the sample holder and its reading would be noted down. It is 0.35. So this way we have taken all the readings of the sugar sample. Now we would prepare a linear curve and find out the unknown sugar concentration. This is all about the Entron test that is being done in the lab for determination of unknown concentration of sugar, and we would always take a standard sugar like glucose. So the linear curve would be a curve of glucose. Thank you.